Hello, this is Anvesha, and I hope you all are doing well. This video is regarding the third lesson of English prose called On Wings of Courage. This lesson is all about the Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, the icon and inspiration for today's youth. It's all about his achievements and hardships that he has gone through and how did he overcome all the hurdles with bravery in his life. Let's get started with the first page of the lesson on Wings of Courage. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. So Arjun Singh, who was an Air Force Marshal, was very profound in his job. He was immensely talented and was an icon during his time. We still remember him for all his work, for whatever he has done for India. So, Air Force Marshal is the post which is the most senior rank in some of the air forces. The next para, the only officer to attain the highest post of marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown over 60 different types of aircraft. So the word here exceptional means outstanding. The next para. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces globally and the fourth biggest in the world. So, as we know, he has done the job so efficiently that it stood out from all the other air forces and has made it the fourth biggest in the world. So, as Vice Chief of IAF, Kapil Kak says, his contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental, to the least. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. The next para. Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in the year 2002. Sam Harmozji Framchi, Jamshedji Manekshaw, and K.M. Kariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Now, Field Marshal is a rank which is equivalent like the Air Force Marshal. The next para, known as a man of few words, Singh was not only a fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said Kak. In this para, the word profound means immense. The next para. Commending his role in war, Y.B. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm, unexcitable but a very able leader. The next para. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Impal campaign, and later assisted the advance of Allied forces to Yangon, which is formerly known as Rangoon. So, in this para, the words squadron, crucial, and allied have the meanings as follows. Squadron means unit of an air force, crucial means important, and allied means joined in an alliance. Please turn on to the next page. The first para. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross (DFC) on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot to have received it. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force (RAF). Cranwell in the year 1938 when he was just 19 years old. He retired from service in the year 1969. So the award Distinguished Flying Cross, that is DFC, is awarded to officers for an act of valor, courage and devotion towards duty and having active participation during the operations for against the enemies. The word feat means strength and skill. Second para, Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lalpur, now Faisalabad in Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal in Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes in the northwestern frontier province as a member of Number 1 RIAF Squadron. The third para. After a brief stint with the newly formed Number 2 RIAF Squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to Number 1 Squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in the year 1944. So, a brief stint means a short period of work, and flying officer, the post of flying officer, means junior commissioned rank in the Air Force. Next para. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross DFC in the year 1944, again for the second time. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a fly-past of over 100 IAF aircraft over the Red Fort in Delhi. After his promotion to rank of Wing Commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of Group Captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commodore and took over as Air Officer Commanding AOC of an operational command which later came to be known as the Western Air Command. So in this para, the post of Wing Commander means it is a senior commissioner rank in British Royal Air Force, and the Air Commodore means a rank of officer in RAF above the group captain and below the Air Vice Marshal. Okay, so now the next para. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC of an operational base, initially from 1949 to 1952 and then again from 1957 to 61. After this promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the AOC in C of an operational command. So here the post Air OC means it is a title which is given to the air forces of Commonwealth nations to an air force, and Air Vice Marshal means 2-star air officer above the Air Commodore. And AOC in C is an air officer heading a particularly important command. The next para, towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as the Deputy Chief of the Air Staff and he became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in the year 1963. He was the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF, that is the Royal Air Force, and the RAAF, that is the Royal Australian Air Force. So here, Deputy Chief means the senior appointed in RAF, that is the Assistant Chief of the Air Staff, and Vice Chief is the second highest ranking of the Air Force. Turn on to the next page. First para. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh took over reins of IAF. At a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet up new challenges. So took over reins means took over control, and gearing up here means getting ready. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to more contemporary Gnats and Vampires. He has also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. So, Air Chief and CAS are two different names for the same post of Marshal. In the year 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armoured thrust targeted at the vital town of Akhanur, Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination, and professional skill. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraints imposed on the full scale use of Air Force combat power. So, let me explain you about the Grand Slam. So, Grand Slam was an operation of 1965 in the Indo-Pak War. It refers to the plan which was drawn by the Pakistani army in May 1965 to attack Akhanur Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir. But Air Marshal Arjun Singh had done immense beautiful job during those operations. In this para, the word armored means tough metal layer and thrust means a sudden push. The next para. Singh was awarded as Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of CAS was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. So the words subsequently here means coming after something. The next para. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases and units and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. So here the word tenure means a period of time. Ambassadorship means the highest rank of officer sent by the government to represent it on a temporary mission for negotiation purpose, and lieutenant governor means a high officer of the state. The last para. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. So the word here conferred means formally giving a title. So, with this, we end the lesson, and truly, Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh is a true inspiration for all of us. And I hope you all have all understood the details that I have shared with you all in this video. Have a nice day.